Hello students, how are you all doing? Stay home, stay safe. In the first session, we have learned about what is a set and about the representation of a set. And in the exercise 1.1, we have completed 3 problems. Hope you all understand the problem. Now, in the second session, we are going to continue with the 4th problem. Shall we? Okay. Next, the 4th question. Represent the following sets in the roster form. First subdivision. A equal to set of all even natural numbers less than 20. The set of all even natural numbers less than 20. You all know the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. It goes on till infinity. But they have mentioned it's a even natural number. So what is even number? So it starts from 2, 4, 6, 8 and they have mentioned it is less than 20. So we have to write till 18. So the set A equal to always a set should be written within the curly braces and the element should be separated by commas. Don't forget to place commas in between the elements. So A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Next, second subdivision. B equal to set of y such that y equal to 1 by 2n and this n belongs to capital N. What does it refer to? The capital N refers to the natural number and this n is less than or equal to 5. See, this represent it is equal to also less than or equal to 5. So we have to include 5 also. So the natural numbers, it starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. It is less than or equal to 5. So our n values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the n values. So now let's write this set. Okay, when n is equal to 1, what is the y value? Y equal to 1 by 2n. So in the place of n, you substitute 1 because we have taken first value as n is equal to 1. So 1 by 2. So our first element is 1 by 2. Next, take the value n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, y equal to 1 by 2n. Here n becomes 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So our second element is 1 by 4. When n is equal to 3, so y is 1 by 2n. So 1 by 2 n, in the place of n you have to write 3. So 1 by 6. When n is equal to 4, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4, which is 1 by 8. When n is equal to 5, we have to write y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, which is 1 by 10. So our element of the set B is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. See, the set has to be written within the curly braces. The third sum, C equal to set of x such that x is a perfect cube and the condition and the rule is x is greater than 27 and less than 216. So you all know what is 1 cube? 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. So x is a perfect cube they have given. So it is greater than 27. So greater than 27, it starts from the 4 cube. 3 cube is 27. But it is mentioned x is greater than 27. Therefore, 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. And 6 cube is 216. But it should not be included. Because x is greater than 27 and less than 216. So our C set contains the elements 64 and 125. And the fourth subdivision, D equal to set of x such that x belongs to Z and x is greater than minus 5 and less than or equal to 2. So what does this Z refers to? The z refers to the integers. So x is an integer greater than -5 and less than or equal to 2. So what are the elements of x? It is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, because it is given less than or equal to, so 2 must be included in the set. So these are the elements of the set D. And let's move on to the fifth question. Represent the following set in the set builder form. So what is set builder form? So representing the elements by a rule. Okay. Now the first sum is B equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. See here, always in the set builder form, the set should be written within the curly braces by a rule. So I have written B equal to set of x such that x is a, we can write, here it is given cricket players in India. So I can write X is a Indian cricket player who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So what is the difference between the descriptive form and the set builder form is, here in the set builder form always you have to write within the curly braces, but in the descriptive form no need to write, just a set of words. By using the set of words we can represent in the descriptive form. But in the set builder form, the set name and the set element should be described by a rule within this curly braces. The second question, C equal to set of 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here they have given in the roster form. We have to represent these elements by a rule, that is set builder form. So how to represent it by a rule? See, look at the number in the numerators. It starts from 1, 2, 3, which are, and so on, which are natural numbers. So C equal to set of x such that x is equal to, I can say n, where n is a natural number, and look at the denominators. It is n plus 1. The natural number should start from 1, but here in the denominator it is from 2, 3, 4, etc. So I can write x is equal to n by n plus 1. When I place the value 1 for n, it becomes, first n will be 1, n plus 1, 1 plus 1, which is 2. When n is 2, it will be 2 by 2 plus 1, which is 2 by 3. When n is equal to 3, I can write 3 by 3 plus 1, which is 4, and it goes on. So this is how we represent the elements by a rule. So C equal to set of x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number. So this is very important, the rule, because if I write just x is equal to n by n plus 1, if it is a whole number, it will start from 0, but it will not meet our condition. The number should start from 1. Therefore, it is compulsory to write n belongs to natural number. And the third sum, D equal to set of all Tamil month in a year. The set of all Tamil month. Okay, D equal to set, always in the set builder form, the curly braces should be there. Set of x such that x is a Tamil month in the year. The only condition is it should be Tamil month. So x is a Tamil month in a year. The next, fourth, E equal to set of all odd whole numbers less than 9. See, here are three conditions. E equal to set of x such that x is a odd number and our x should be a whole number and our x should be less than 9. So there are three conditions which you have to mention it here. E equal to set of x such that x is a odd number, x is a odd number, and x belongs to w, which is a whole number. X belongs to whole number and x is less than 9. Okay. Next, question number 6. Represent the following set in the descriptive form. The first one, so descriptive form is nothing but representing the set in words. P equal to set of January, June and July. So look at these months. So all these months starts with the letter J. Is it not? So how to write this? P is the set of all English month beginning with the letter J. Okay, this is how we write in the descriptive form. So need not use the curly braces or anything. Just you have to represent it using the words. P is the set of English month beginning with J. Second, Q equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So on seeing this, you can say all these are prime numbers. All these are prime numbers which is greater than 5 but less than 31. Is it not? We cannot write 6 because 6 is not a prime number. So the prime numbers which is greater than 5 and less than 31. So Q is the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. When I say between, the upper limit and lower limit should not be included if I say between. So Q is the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31, means 5 should not be included. So the next prime number is 7 and 31 should not be included. So before 31 we have 29. So this is the set Q what is given in the question. So how to write it in the descriptive form? Q is the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. Third, R equal to set of X such that X belongs to capital N, which is natural number. So it should start from 1, 2, 3, etc. And the other condition is X is less than 5. So how to write in the descriptive form? R is the set of all natural numbers less than 5. And fourth, S is equal to set of X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet. What is a consonant? All the letters other than the vowels, they are called as consonants. Okay. Set is, S is the set of all English consonants. Okay, this is how we write in the descriptive form. So with this we have completed our first exercise. Go through again and again. If you have any doubt, you can message me on the WhatsApp group. So go through the sums and get ready for your test. Okay, thank you.